Hello guys, I am Abhinandan Patil and I have done with my fifth task, which is exploratory data analysis for terrorism dataset. Here is I import the dataset of global terrorism. After the dataset understanding, in that data dot shape data dot is null to find out any null values in the dataset. Here is the null values in approx date and related column. Here are the columns in the dataset. After that, data dot is described. After that, data dot info, data dot correlation. After that, I made the data visualization. In that, I plot the line plot for number of fatalities and non-fatal injuries for US. Here is the line plot. Here is the data index on x-axis and number of dead or injuries in y-axis, and green line indicates the number of confirmed non-fatal injuries for US, and red line indicates the number of total confirmed fatalities for US. Given that the data is sorted by dates, attacks on US citizens seems to be very rare in a given date range, but the terrorist act against the citizens of US has been increasingly in the following year after this rare date range. After that, I made death and injuries at all times. Here is the scatter plot for number of kills versus number of wounds. From above plot, it is clear that in the majority of acts of terrorism, the mortality rate and injuries were low, but a small number of actions led to too many deaths and injuries. After that, I am done with data analysis. Here is the Middle East data set. The frequency of terrorist action in customized region. Let's analyze in Middle East and North Africa. Here I plot the HIST plot for analysis of frequency of Middle East and North Africa terrorism action by year. Here is the HIST plot. From our plot, it is clear that terrorist attacks have increased in recent years. Here is the line plot for comparison of number of dead in world and Middle East and North Africa. Here is the line plot, and red line indicates the number of people dead by terror attacks in world, and green line indicates the number of people dead by terror attack in Middle East and North Africa. Here is the data set of filter year data. Here is the filter year data.info. After that, here is a data set of required required year. Here number of people killed by terror attack is 4,11,868. Here is a data set of attack type. Here is the data set of attack type with number of people killed in terror attack. After that, I made the pie chart for the number of people killed by type of terror attack. Here is the pie chart. From above pie chart, it is clear that armed assault and bombing explosions are seen to be the cause of 77% of the deaths in these attacks. This rate is why these attacks are used too many times in terrorist actions. This is how dangerous weapon and explosive are to the world. Here is the dataset for country. After that, here is a dataset for country with number of people killed in terror attack. After that, I plot the count plot for the countries for number of people killed by terror attack. First, I plot the count plot for first 50 countries. Here is a count plot for first 50 countries. From this plot, it is clear that Afghanistan has most number of people were killed in terror attack. After that, I made count plot for next 50 countries. Here is the count plot. From this plot, it is clear that Iraq has most number of people killed in terror attack. After that, I made the count plot for the another 50 countries. From above count plot, it is clear that Nigeria and Pakistan has most number of people killed in terror attack. After that, I made the count plot for last 50 countries. From above count plot, it is clear that Sri Lanka and Syria has most people killed in terror attack. From above data analysis, the conclusion is the following countries has most affected by terror attack, which are Afghanistan, Iraq, Nigeria, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka and Syria. Also, all countries are Muslim countries except Sri Lanka, and hence Muslim countries are most affected by terror attacks. The Middle East and North Africa are seen to be the places of serious terrorist attacks. So that's it. Thank you.